Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo están, ladies and gentlemen? Aquí hoy vamos a hacer unas empanadas colombianas con estos productos que ves aquí. Usted dice hot sauce. Eso es para el ají, que es una salsa que uno usa para poner la empanada ahí, para darle más sabor si quiere. It's optional. ¿Ok? Entonces también aquí hay papas para darle sabor. Y así vamos a hacer. Gracias a la esposa de mi padre, Rocío, que me enseñó cómo hacerlos. Yo ahora los voy a hacer y enseñarle a todos ustedes cómo hacer unas empanadas colombianas. So, you guys, we're going to be making today Colombian empanadas. Homemade. I was taught by my father's wife, Rocío. Thank you for teaching me how to make them. And I'm going to show you guys today the process and the steps and all that you need. There are some things that are missing here. I do apologize that I'll probably have to go out. But I have to season the meat and put it in a slow pot cooker as soon as possible because that's going to be the longest process of all this. All right, you guys? I hope you're going to enjoy. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So first, we're going to put this in here, add a little vinegar. One, to eliminate if it gets a little over salty, and also to clean the meat. Then we are gonna open this jar here, and we're gonna go ahead and put the whole thing in there and mix it real nice with the vinegar. And then we're gonna put some of the seasoning on the whole thing. There we go. Mix that up real nice. Vamos a poner un paquete de este. Todito, enterito. The whole thing. Some of this. Complete seasoning. I'm almost out of anymore. And that's about it. Now we're gonna mix it again. Infini ultimo, garlic salt, my favorite shish. Okay, poquito, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. Ooh, and that's it. Slow cooker. Pot roast cooker? What? I don't know. You know. Beep. All right, we're gonna put it in the pot roast cook-off. Ready, you guys? Oh wait, did I mix this bitch? No. Mommy. All right. You recording? Oh shit. We're gonna throw it in here. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Getting my tummy. 7 hours later. Not right now. Gonna go ahead and put it on high for about 5 to 6 to 7 hours later. Okay, so ahora we're gonna add cebolla larga, which is long onions.
It's green onions.
Green onions, I'm sorry. My English is not very good looking sometimes. Bueno, esto ya está muy caliente, so you gotta be careful. Vamos a ponerle esto to give it more flavor while it's cooking. Even though I did all the seasoning, that's just extra. Mwah. Entonces, este proceso, we're gonna go ahead and boil these two tomatoes por 2 minutos. 2 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna take them out, and I'm gonna show you the rest of the process of making la salsa el ají, okay? Pues, okay, so it's been 2 minutes. As you see, the skin's already peeling out. We gotta take that thingy out. Get this tomato out of here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the peeling process. We take off the skin of the tomato. I'll take it off, put it right here. Whew. This is caca. Let me get a fork. So sorry, guys. Okay. So we took the skin off. Now we're gonna do with the tomatoes. Cut the tip. Y atrás. Cut that off. Get the other one. La misma cosa, okay? I'm gonna take the skin off. Still a little hot. Ooh-wee. There we go. No le pegue la negra. No, 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 no. Ay! Wait, mamas. Oh my god. I'm playing with the tomato. Okay. Now, todo lo que corté, I'm gonna put it here in the bowl so we can mix it. Put the garlic, onions, and green onions. Oh boy. And of course, cilantro. Okay, now we'll bring back this tomato right over here, mama. Okay. I'll go ham on cutting these things. Ready? And we're gonna cut them into small little dices as best as you can. Take this little hard piece out. This is too hard. Caca. And then we're gonna cut him in small little pieces, okay? All right, you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes that we sliced up with the little bit of tomato juice that's already on there. Then we're gonna add a little bit of vinegar. And for a substitute, because we don't have lime juice, we got limes. Squeeze a whole lime in there. I did wash my hands before I did this, promise you guys. Sorry. Mix. Gotta mix it. Mix that bad boy. Ooh, they're looking good. And y'all stop laughing at me. Pendejo. Hold on, we gotta put this beautiful hot sauce in there. Un chipitichichito. It's a little bit more than a little bit, you know. Mix, mix, mix. Del ají, para que vean. Y lo voy a poner en la nevera. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for when it's time to eat the empanadas. All right, you guys. So it gives it more flavor. The longer it's in there together and sitting, it tastes better. We're gonna check up on the meat. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, smells so good, you guys. Look at this. It's cooking. It's cooking. Still got a couple more hours to go. Boy, oh boy. Ay, qué rico. Se ve eso tan rico, Dios mío. Alright. Ok, para la gente que no le gustan spicy salsa, aquí vamos a hacer homemade guacamole dip. You need 2 guacamoles, 1 tomato, onion, and cilantro. A lime. Forgot to add that. Woo! Got you now. Ninja with the lemon juice and a little bit of water. And there you go. Just a little and there you go. Right, so to get the guacamole out, we gotta go under, go around. And it comes right out. Bam. There you go. Okay. I went ahead and put it in the Ninja because it was too hard, the guacamole. And we added more lime. And I also put the seed in there so it could avoid from turning brown and last longer, okay? Hey, how are you guys? While I'm waiting here for the meat to be cooking, I just want to let you guys know that this lovely headband you see on my head, I received it as a gift from Babyyulsboutique, and I just got to let you guys know their prices are unbelievable. Okay, they have all type of accessories that you can get. I'm gonna make sure on my description below that I am going to put the link for Facebook and the link for Instagram for Babyyulsboutique, so you guys can see it for yourself. For it, all right? See you later. All right, slice them in smaller pieces before I put them in the crock pot. All right, you guys. All of them, all right? And then we put them in the crock pot. Only reason why I'm throwing them now is because they'll disintegrate if I put them in there with the meat while it's cooking. All right, gonna pour these bad boys in here right now. The meat's almost done. We're getting there. Look at that. Ooh, looks so good. Guys, so we're about ready. So because I'm using a crock pot, I have to take out the potatoes and smash them separately, because actually once the meat is fully done, which it's almost done, I'm going to have to separate the meat, desmecharlo con la mano. So it's going to be a little bit of a process. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, take them all out and smash them. All right, you guys. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, so here's all the papas, potatoes. And now I'm going to smash them with this because that's what I have right now. I'm using the utensils I got. I don't have any special tools to do this. Bueno, ya saqué la carne. I took out the meat. Now look, that's how you know that meat is ready. Estamos desmechando. Look how nice. It's nice and soft. And then once I'm done doing this with the meat, I'm going to mix it with the potatoes. And then we're going to start doing the dough for the empanadas. Ahora, I'm going to mix todito junto. Como tengo guantes, pues lo puedo hacer con las manos. All right, mix, mix, mix. Bueno, so now we're gonna use hot water. So only put a little bit. I'm gonna do one of this, sazón con achote. Un poquito as we go, para darle más sabor a la masa y color. Okay, and then I'm gonna do this for más sabor, for more flavor. Ooh, we hacer este así, at least half on this. And then of course, main ingredient. And I gotta mix it so I get it to where I want it. So así, that's how it should look now. See, you can play with it, separate it. Pretty good. Now, the fun part begins. If you have a Ziploc bag, all you gotta do is cut it like this. And then, this is gonna help. We just need a little bit of water so it doesn't stick. And I'm just doing this for right now. And then we gotta spread it out as evenly as you can. grab a small enough portion. You put in there some papa, of course. Then we're gonna go like this. You're gonna make that shape you're looking for, the empanada shape. And then to finish off, I use a cup and go halfway, just like that. Then you open it and you play with it some more. See that left some meat out, that's not good. But work with what we got. Otra vez, un poquito de agua. Spread the love, spread the love. Me pega. No le pega la negra. No le pega la negra. Bueno, otra vez, pedazo ahí de carne con la papa, ¿sí? Ya, bueno, a cerrarlo, hacer la curvita esa que te dije, the shape of la empanada, use the cup, like a moon shape. You can make them bigger, smaller, it's up to you, and depending la cantidad de carne, the amount of meat you want to put. Now, because this one came out way better than the other one, I can fold it to secure it so before we fry it, nothing comes out. Ahí. Look how pretty they're coming out. Ooh wee. Alright. Okay, so now we're frying them. You're gonna do it a little bit over medium heat there. And for about 5 to 10 minutes. And that's how long you're gonna leave them in, okay? So that way they don't get overburnt on the outside and too soft on the inside. So 5 to 10 minutes, you should cook well throughout the outside and the inside. Alright, I got my last 4 frying. And these are all done. We made even a little mini one. So in total, that is 21 empanadas colombianas with leftover for me to make tomorrow if I want to. So yeah, approximately about 40 to 50 empanadas you can do with the meat that I did and got and everything. Alright, you guys, that's the final look. So hungry. Alright, that's the end result. Golden brown, beautiful empanadas. Colombian empanadas like that. Ooh, yummy. Here it is, the final results. Yummy. So. Mira eso.
Very good.
Guacamole sauce.